What's up guys, this is Moto RP. Today I'll be working on the 2015 Yamaha R3. I'm going to do an oil change and I'll show you guys what to do, what tools you're going to need, and I'll show you what product I am using. So we'll get into this and roll out the intro. What's up guys, so we're going to get into this oil change right now. So I'm gonna take off just the plug and the filter. I'm not gonna take off the fairings. That's gonna be too much of a work, and it's getting a little bit late right now. So I'm gonna try to just do the oil change. So I'll show you the parts to take off of the oil, then get into the oil change. Alright guys, so I took the filter off. It's right over here. Then I drained the oil when I was doing the spark plugs. So now I'm just gonna get the oil filter right now, put it in, torque down this bolt to spec, then I should be good. Let me get the filter and the oil and I'll show you what it is. Alright guys, so here's the oil filter that I'm using. Okay, and then I like these because it comes with the bolt on there, so it's easy to put on, take off. And the oil, I use this 10W40 full synthetic. It's been working pretty good for me. Popped this open, then on this filter I'm gonna put in some oil. You never want to put your filter in dry because it's just gonna pump in empty oil from the filter, so that's just bad. So just put in at least to the top. It goes down. So at the same time you want to lubricate the ring around this so it can be a really good tight seal on the engine block. So that should be good. So let me put this on. There you go. And this, you should torque it down to spec. I did a video about torquing to spec the filter and the plug. If you want to know that, look at the other video that I did. It was not too much of a I'll say information in that one. I was doing a lot of stuff. So on this video I'm doing same thing but separated into multiple videos. So but yeah, torque specs, in the manual, service manual. So let me just tuck these down to spec. It should be good. Alright guys, the drain bolt right here, that's gonna be 14 pounds. So I have my torque wrench. I'm gonna set it to 14. Alright guys, 14 pounds. There we go. 14 pounds on that one. Double checking again. So there we go, 14. Now the top one, the filter, that's gonna be 12 foot-pounds. Bolt size is 14 on this one, 14 millimeter. This one's gonna be a 17 millimeter. So, alright guys, 17 millimeters. This one, the filter is gonna be 12 foot-pounds. There we go guys. So 12 foot-pounds. There we go. So filter set, 17 millimeter, 12 foot-pounds, 14 millimeter, 14 foot-pounds. So now I'm gonna fill in my oil and that should be done, and put the cover back up. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I did spark plugs, oil, filter, the specs, what tools, and right now I'm gonna fill in the oil right now. Alright guys, so yeah, it's good, a bit dark right now. So right now I'll show you the oil. Alright, that's 1 quart. Alright, so 1.5 quarts done. Next one. Ready? Alright guys, we're gonna turn on the bike right now to cycle the oil. Alrighty, go ahead. There we go, we cycle the oil. Just let the bike sit and see how much would it come out, and if I need to put in more. Alright guys, so I just finished filling up the oil, let it settle. So right now, so you got just stuff to clean up, the old filter, the old oil. So the old oil, I need to put them in the old canisters, go get it recycled, and yeah, just don't throw away this oil on the trash. Go take it to your local auto shop. The place I usually take mine is O'Reilly's. They take oil, so they can recycle, but they don't take the bottles. So I can keep the bottles, use oil, put it in there to recycle. So yeah guys, let's close this up and clean up. Okay. Alright guys, you can see I'm hot, sweaty, not bothered. But yeah, so we got everything finished, everything's cleaned up. The only thing I've not done is gonna be the coolant, so I'm gonna do that probably some other day, but overall the main stuff is done. Alright guys, got the bike done, we got the oil change, spark plugs, but right now I'm gonna finish up the video for the oil change. So if you want to see a particular kind of video, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, If you want to support me, I got a Patreon page, check that out. But overall, if you want to see a particular kind of video, let me know, comment. I'm always in the comment section. But overall, thank you guys. Peace out.